Hi everyone, this is Joe from PrepAgent. Today I'm going to talk to you about a less than freehold estate. See, a freehold estate is undefined in duration. It's ownership that has no limit. Well, there's always some limit. We got those taxes and whatnot. But a freehold estate is a different thing we're going to talk about now. We'll talk about that in another video. A less than freehold estate is limited. See, there's 4 types of less than freehold estates you need to know to pass your exam. Estate for years, periodic tenancy, estate at will, and estate at sufferance. I'll explain the difference. Estate for years is a very defined period of time, like June 1st to April 8th, or Memorial Day to Labor Day for all you Northeast people who like your summer rentals. The moment you move in, you know when you're moving out. Therefore, no notice is needed to be given. It's a defined period of time from the start, 3 months, 2 months, 25 days, or if 2 dates are given, whatever it may be. Periodic tenancy is a reoccurring time period. So if you see something that's month to month, that would be periodic tenancy. Estate at will means it could end at any time. Just boom, poof, over, done. And estate at sufferance means it did end, but the tenant didn't leave. In other words, a deadbeat tenant. So you have those 4 types of less than freehold estates. I'm going to say them again. You have estate for years, periodic tenancy, estate at will, and estate at sufferance. I hope that helps you. And remember to remember your 5 vocabulary words every morning when studying for the real estate exam. This is Joe from PrepAgent, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.